Bright headlights are an essential tool for night driving and effectively illuminating wildlife, debris and oncoming traffic, as well as navigating inclement weather and storms. Having LED headlights installed in your vehicle is a good way to ensure that the road ahead of you is well lit. 1. MIFMIA 2024 Upgraded H7 LED Bulb. MIFMIA H7 LED Bulb is an upgraded headlight bulb that offers 600% brighter illumination compared to stock halogen bulbs. With top automotive-grade CSP LED chips, it provides a cool white light of 650 K, ensuring a safer night driving experience. The bulb features an excellent beam pattern that delivers wider and further range light on the road without any dark spots or glare. Its 1-to-1 mini design allows for easy installation within just 5 minutes, and it is also IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and cold resistant. The H7 LED bulb is compatible with 99% vehicle computer systems and has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. 2. SABERLED 28,000 Lumens LED Bulbs Combo Kit. SABERLED 28,000 Lumens LED Bulbs Combo Kit includes 120 W 6000K Cool White 9005, HB3 9006, HB4 LED bulbs that are 7 times brighter than halogen bulbs, providing a wider visual range for safer driving at night. The built-in intelligent CSP LED chips are anti-flicker, compatible with 99% of vehicle system without annoying error. The focus beam pattern ensures higher on the passenger side to illuminate road signs and lower on the driver's side to prevent blinding other drivers. Installation is easy and requires no tools. With a 50,000-hour lifespan, the bulbs last up to 7 years, which is 7 times longer than 9005 halogen bulbs. 3. Rim-thin H11 LED bulbs. These H11 bulbs are designed for easy installation, with a compact size and a plug-and-play design. No external driver or wire is required, making it a hassle-free upgrade. The built-in cooling fan ensures long-lasting performance, with over 50,000 hours of continuous lighting and stable operation. With top automotive-grade LED chips, these bulbs provide up to 16000 lm brightness, 6000 K cool white light, and are 600% brighter than halogen bulbs. This means better visibility and improved safety when driving at night. The Smart IC driver and high wattage near-stock bulbs make these H11 headlights compatible with 99% of vehicle systems. 4. DDM tuning. SABERLED PROX 55W DDM Tuning's new 4500K color option for their premium LED is a game-changer for those looking for a warm white color in LED form. This is a unique and welcome feature, as other premium LEDs only offer cooler color temperatures. While the beam quality is good, it's always recommended to check the beam when installing any aftermarket product, including LEDs. The DDM tuning LEDs have garnered attention for their excellent performance in a variety of applications such as reflectors, projectors, and fog lights. 5. Oxito LED Headlights. Oxito makes a wide variety of vehicle lighting products, including 5 different series of LED headlights, which come in 9005, HB3, 9006, HB4, 9007, HB5, 9008, H13, 9012, here, H11B, H4 9003, HB2, and H9, H8, H11 sizes. There are lots of options for brightness, and we found that among their many models with over 100 reviews, they were almost uniformly rated between 89% and 92% positive, an excellent score for any product. The company claims outputs up to 100 watts and 24,000 lumens per bulb, among the brightest on the market. 6. BeamTech LED Headlight Bulbs. Their advertised lifespan is over 30,000 hours or almost 3.5 years of continuous use, but other brands advertise up to 50,000 hours. What makes BeamTech's bulbs different from many of its competitors is the lack of a fan, making them quieter than other products. In lieu of a fan, they feature passive cooling with an aluminum body for improved heat dissipation. BeamTech also says the bulbs are close to the same length as a halogen lamp filament, resulting in a beam pattern that you would expect from a halogen bulb. These bulbs are IP65 water and dust resistant.